So you want to grow on Instagram but don't know how to do this. So in this video, I will turn my this page into this, and I will tell you how to grow your own Instagram account from scratch in 2022. So let's get started. First, let's understand what are theme pages and how do Instagram theme pages work. Theme pages don't create their own content. They curate popular content in a specific niche on the account while giving the credit to their original creators. These accounts are an extensive collection of the popular content on a particular niche. Now, what is a niche on Instagram? A niche is a simple group of people with the similar interest that you can target with your content. For example, if you are a travel blogger, your niche might be people are interested in the budget travel. To find a niche, find out what you like, what interests you, and why you should post on it. Can you be consistent when posting about it on the Instagram? Now you have an niche, and you know what is a theme page. Now let's create an Instagram theme page. Create an Instagram theme page. We need to sign up on Instagram. After signing up, as you can see, this is the outcome of signing up. I created this random profile with no bio, no profile picture, and no username. So I changed the username and name to the feather chest so it can look more professional and branded. Then we also need to change it into a professional account. You can choose the creator or business account. I am choosing the creator account, and after completing the all of process, let's check how is our account is looking like now. Our account is looking like fine, but a thing is missing. That thing is the logo. Logo is the most important thing for any brand. So I am using here Canva to make the logo of our the brand. Okay, Canva is the most famous online tool for designing. So I created this type of logo with the money bag and some win, so that is suitable for, according to my username and name. Okay, so let's download it and upload it to the Instagram. After uploading it, as you can see that this is looking fine, but we needed to optimize our profile for the SEO. So after optimizing our profile for SEO and adding some bio to our profile, it looks like this. Now we have to make some post for this. To make a post, I also use Canva again, because I like Canva very much. So I created this type of a post, and we will add the catchy captions and suitable hashtags so that we can grow faster and faster. If you want to know how you can gain more followers, then check out my episode number 2 of this series, because in the now, in the next episode, we will change this account into a branded account. Thanks for watching.